Welcome to this tutorial on how to install the Xero integration for Dynamics 365. So if you go to our website and go to our products, you'll find the Xero integration tool. So once you click on it, if you go to free trial and enter in your details and then press submit, you will shortly receive an email with instructions to follow. The first instruction will tell you to go to developer.xero.com/myapps. And from here, once you've logged in, you want to select New App. In the email, there'll be details about what you can enter in these fields. So to begin with, you want the app name set to Magnetism Microsoft Dynamics 365 Integration. And for the integration type, you want to keep it as the default as Web App. For the company or application URL, you're going to want to enter our website. And for the redirect URL, you're going to want to enter this. All of these details are in the email that was sent to you. Once you have read and agreed to the Xero Developer Platform terms and conditions, you can press Create App. Once you've created your app, you can move on to the second stage of steps. So here you want to copy the client ID and note this down. You can find the client ID by going to Configuration. Here you'll find the client ID. So you just want to copy this and store it in a notepad. And you also want to click on Generate Secret. Copy this as well and note it down. From here, you want to press Save. You can now submit your client ID and secret to the link sent to you in the email. So here you want to paste your client ID and then the secret and press Submit. Once you've submitted, you'll be prompted to allow access. And you can see that your connection has successfully been established. The next step is to set up a dedicated service user in your Dynamics 365 environment for our Xero integration. This can be an app user or username and password. This user will need to have system administrator for the initial setup process. You can check out our guide, which is sent in the email, about setting up an application user. Follow this link in the email to enter your Dynamics 365 service user credentials. So you want to enter your Dynamics URL, and in this case, I'm entering as a Dynamics user. And you can see that it has successfully updated my Dynamics 365 connection. Once you have done this, it will kick off the installation of the base solution and perform the initial sync from Xero. This is usually done within 24 hours and we'll let you know by email once it's ready, or you can let us know a preferred time to schedule this. If you have any questions in the meantime, don't hesitate to send us an email at sales@magnetismsolutions.com. Thank you for watching.